Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the SPUpdateServer.exe-System error on your computer. So if you've been running into this problem while updating your system, just follow along step by step to get it sorted. Alright, let's dive in. First, go to the search bar on your PC and type CMD. When you see Command Prompt, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This is really important for the fix to work. Now that you have Command Prompt open, we need to run two simple commands to check your system files. Don't worry, these commands are completely safe. You can find the exact commands in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste them. Once you type the commands, press Enter and let them do their thing. This may take a few minutes, so be patient and make sure not to close Command Prompt while it's running. Closing it too early could cause more issues. After the scan finishes, simply restart your computer. Once your PC boots back up, check if the SPUpdateServer.exe-System error is gone. And that's it. Following these steps should fix the problem quickly and safely. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment below if you have any questions.